Welcome to MONEYFLOW. Here I will tell you how you can make money out of the things that you have been doing for free. That is, by watching YouTube videos. It may sound quite unbelievable, but it's accurate and simple. Search for any video on YouTube.com. Watch at least 30 seconds and make money. The question is, how much money can you make by watching YouTube videos? The answer is a lot. It all depends on you, how many videos you can watch per day. You can earn $3 by watching one video, and if you watch 10 videos per day, you can make almost $30. If you watch 50 videos per day, you can make $150. You can repeat this procedure daily and can make as much money as you want. But how to make all this money by just watching videos? Make sure to stick till the end of this video so you cannot miss any related details. The first step is to make an account on YouTube if you don't have an account already. Just click on the sign in button at the top right corner of the YouTube page. It will take you to the page where you can sign in to continue to YouTube. Click on the Create Account button and then create a Google account. After completing the Google account, you can sign up to YouTube. But if you already have a Google account, sign up for the YouTube channel with that account. Now you have come one step closer to making money with YouTube. After logging in, observe the left-hand side of your YouTube channel. You will see a lot of categories in the best of YouTube videos like sports, music, gaming, news, and live. These are the best performing videos on YouTube. If you click on one of these categories, you will see videos with millions of views. People watch them for free without knowing they can make money from them. Let's see the gaming category because millions of people watch videos related to games. Select Minecraft because it is picking up the ideal trend right now. And go to the page where YouTube shows many live stream videos related to Minecraft. The strategy is to make money by watching these live stream videos in minutes. The method is legal and completely free. YouTube is available in any country, and you can watch these videos from your country. The next step you have to take is to click on one of these live stream videos. It will take you to the next page where the live stream is running, and many people are watching it. The next step in making money through YouTube is to go to another website where you have to create an account, shorten the URL, and make money. To simplify, let's go to the website where you can make money by watching YouTube videos. Google 7r6.com and go to the website where you need to sign up for your free account. Just click on the sign up button at the top right corner of the site to sign up. When you click on that button, you will go to the next page where you can register a brand new membership. To register here, you need a username, a valid email address, and a strong password to secure the account. After agreeing to their terms and privacy, click on the register button. After signing up, you will get a dashboard. Now you have to go again to the live stream YouTube video of Minecraft that you have opened before. You will see the share button under the video. Just click on the share and copy the link from there. After copying the link, go back to 7r6.com. On your dashboard, click the new shortened link at the top left menu and paste the link in the box named your URL here. In the next box of alias, type the name of the video, like Minecraft, and click on the shorten. It will automatically shorten your link into a new short unique link. Now you will share this link on different platforms to get more reach and clicks. The money you will get depends on the number of people that clicked on your shortened link. If more people click on the link, you will get more money. After earning, you can withdraw your money by PayPal, Bitcoin, WebMoney, Perfect Money, and Payoneer. You can make links to other videos as well, but it would be better if you focus on the live stream video of Minecraft. Make 3 to 5 links by the same procedure to earn a decent amount of money. Through this method, just go to another Minecraft live stream video, click on Share, copy the link, and then paste it into your dashboard box. Put Minecraft 2 in the alias button and shorten the link. One more tip is to find trending videos having more views. You have completed 2 steps and have created the link. Now it's time to share it so people can find your link and click on it. For this purpose, go to another website named steamcommunity.com. Different people talk about other game strategies on this website because this is a gaming website. Various discussions are also going on Minecraft games. A lot of people talk about this game here, so this is trending right now. To take advantage of this trend and make money, you need to shorten your links through 7r6.com. You can also make a free account on the Steam Community website. You need to post about Minecraft video games or any other category you are interested in. In that post, give the shortened link. Many people will click on the links to watch that YouTube video you would post on the stream community. You will get the money for every single click, and more people will click on your video. You can make hundreds and thousands of dollars from just one video. Another website where you can share your link to get more clicks is moot.us. Various people discuss the games on this page. Write an attractive post to make people click on your link. First, discuss the game, arouse people's curiosity, and then give them a call to action. Enjoy and make money by just sharing a link with the world. Isn't it an excellent and easy way to make money online? Don't sit back and watch till the end to see one more method to make money in the same way. There are various other websites where you can earn money by shortening the links. For example, on the website uii.io, you can make money every single time when people click on your link. The idea is almost the same as I've discussed before. You need to sign up, shorten the link, and then share it to get maximum clicks on the link. You will get a varying amount of money depending on who has clicked on your link. For example, if the people from the UK click on your link, you'll get more money. Similarly, if people from any other country click on your link, you'll get different amounts of money for that. You can check out the rates in different countries from payout rates. On the website uii.io, you can check the number of people who have clicked on your video and how much money you earned from it. Again, you will go to any YouTube video, click share, copy the link, and then you can shorten it from uii.io easily. To get more traffic, share this link at slideshare.net. Again, you can make a free account on this website. After signing up, click on the upload button and upload the PDF file to share your link with an attractive message so that people will click on your link. This website has 160 million monthly visitors, so this is the perfect place to share your links for free. Other people can learn from it and click on your link to solve their problems. You can upload good and helpful videos to help people solve their problems at slideshare.net and get paid for this. Let us know what your favorite video categories on YouTube are. Let us know your opinion about this video in the comments section below. Also, please tell us the region from where you are watching so that we can make more methods of earning money online according to your areas. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon, and we'll see you in the next helpful video that can earn you a lot of money. Thanks for watching.